Kind of looking cute today.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not,
I am off to drop off my car at the wash. And then head to the office. I just woke up this morning. I'm like, honestly, I need to fetch my life. Like, for real. Okay, this angle's gonna just have to do. Yeah, I was just like, I really need to take a moment and stop feeling sorry for myself and fetch my life. Like, I was looking at my wigs. They look nasty. I need to get them treated. I need to get my nails done, my toes done. At least sometimes I was just like, okay, let me wake up and do my face. It's a Friday, like look a little cute. But I didn't do too bad today. But yeah, like I know I must not let myself go. Please. I am very lazy for all that stuff, like to get up, choose a cute outfit and do my face. I'm super lazy for that. I'm praying on it. And I'm gonna practice it. But other things, no, I need to just, no. So I'm gonna go drop off my car, get back to the office, and then sometime during the day, I need to book for my lashes because I'm definitely due for a full. Book for my lashes, book nails, full mani and pedi, a wax, yeah, and just fetch my life because honestly, I've looked like and jazz Ndona, but I'm fetching myself now because not cute, okay? Good morning. Morning, guys. It is a Saturday morning. My man and I had a two-man party indoors last night. And your girl found herself a little overstimulated, guys. I don't know why this is not sitting properly. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, it doesn't matter. We had a two-man party indoors last night, and I found myself getting a bit overstimulated, I think because of the loud music. Naturally, guys, now my nervous system is at its best and calmest when I have obviously like someone I love around me, but like it's like chilled, you know, like the music is like background music if we're listening to music. Or but also I think because it's like I was so exhausted from the week, like I just needed like chilled vibes, but it was good all in all. Okay, when you're dating someone who's the opposite of you, you have to compromise, and I compromised last night, but he compromises for me quite a bit, so it's okay. And then we called it a night quite early. Today, I just want to take it easy. I slept in. I'm nice and refreshed. I'm just going to do things like around the house. Guys, I need to just get to our office. Our office has so much potential, but like it is just not coming together, and only because I'm just not making the time to get it together. So I need to make a plan there. And then I want to go visit my mommy, and I'm probably going to spend the night there. Then back this side early tomorrow morning because I've got yoga at 10 a.m. with my friend. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It feels so good to be back.
izinto uyaqonda angazi ke ukuba ke kutheni engaxeleli uba bekhathazeke ukufa ndathi ke ngoku ubhibhi ngubrother wakanye nomyeni wakhe yabe ngumyeni wakhe bebe ngusisi sounds cool sounds like yenziwe ngabazali kungambona ubhibhi winers her husband yeah.
It's too early for my voice. I've just left my parents' house Sunday morning and I am headed to yoga. I'm meeting my friend there, Ulio. Yeah, so we're gonna have yoga morning together and maybe steam or sauna after. But yeah, early Sunday morning for us.
I was like working, I was doing that just like
left leg bends, take the right leg up and you just stretch and hold leg, pulling the leg towards you. And then stretch your leg at the same time. Gonna work with some abs. Keep the leg as nice as you please. Walking the palms to either side. And you're gonna keep one leg at a time, making the body long. Let's go. 1 and 2.
I actually have no idea what I'm supposed to do with exporting my videos. It's so frustrating. I know this clip is not going to make sense, but I really wanted to share how frustrating. Yeah, I've got a video that's done and I just cannot export it because it keeps saying there isn't enough space, but there is space. And it's frustrating me, and like the more I pray about it, I'm like, Lord, is this your sign for me to just quit? Like, I'm not meant to be doing this. I have no clue, but it's frustrating. Like, I actually wanted, I think overall this morning I'm just having like a wobbly day, a wobbly morning. So yeah, that's my current frustration right now. And no, I'm not going to work like this. I'm just laying my hair because I've got it in a bun. Middle part sleeps back. Good morning. You made it so nice. What a cute encounter at my local Seattle. I think also these people are fairly new, but also I haven't been to our Seattle in a while. But they were so sweet. I don't know how Seattle hires their staff, but they always have the best people. Like, you know, about like they just get trained or something, but like trained well. But it's always like friendly folk. Like, maybe nice a shame. They just really woke me up and made my morning. And I wanted to shoot him, but I don't know, I just got so overwhelmed. But like, there were a lot of people, and yeah, I need to start getting used to it. Because generally I'm a person who just doesn't get bothered by like what's happening around me, or like, you know. But I don't know, with like taking content, it's like, oh, people are looking at me. But yeah, I'm off to a client to get a contract signed, and then straight to the office to get some work done, because I am taking a few days off work, and so I've got quite a bit to just finish up and close off, because it's also going to be month end. So yeah, I hope I have a good day. I woke up so refreshed. I'm wearing my man's jersey that smells like him, so that's put me in a good mood. I just hope I have a productive day, you know. Yeah. So I am deep in my man's cupboard this week. I'm wearing another one of his jerseys. So this is my look for today. You guys have seen this Shein bag because it's super cute, super enjoy it. And then the jeans, I think these I got off Superbalist, but I think they're from Cotton On, but I just got them off Superbalist. And then my kittens. What a hot mess our lives are right now, guys. What a hot mess. So I finally was able to upload the video that I was struggling so much with, and yeah, but there are so many frustrating things right now in our lives. I don't know how I'm still saying, guys, yonke into is challenging. My work right now, and unfortunately, obviously, I can't share a lot regarding that because it still pays my bills. So it's frustrating. Work is frustrating, guys. Like, I wish I was a rich house daughter. That's what I wish. Sorry, I am rushing to my lash appointment. I'm trying to fetch my life and just but like the tests, the weapons, guys, they are formed against me, and it feels like they're prospering. I'm telling you, work is frustrating. Work is frustrating. I'm gonna pause this so I can get out of the complex. So guys, work is a hot mess, and that's going to go on cell phone holder. Work is a hot mess. My partner and I are meant to go get our visas done, and that is turning out to be such a stressful thing right now, for many reasons. Okay, go Friday, guys, to give you context, right? Go Friday, I'm off from work, and our appointment is Monday. So we don't have this information. I just got this morning that our appointment is Monday. And you'll get to know me, but I'm not a last minute kind of girl. I need things to be planned. So everything is just last minute, all over the place, and it's frustrating because I'm just not built that way. Like, I get frustrated when things have to be done last minute. So there's that. Like, you're getting digila right now. You're getting digila, but I'm just tired of looking crusty. I need to sort out my life. I need to look better so I can feel better. So I'm gonna go get my lashes done. I had a nail appointment for Monday. I'm gonna have to change that. I had a nail and wax appointment for Monday. I need to try and change those. But I need to just fetch my life, guys. I was trying to make appointments for an install, and if my appointment we trusted you know, and I am a bit like uncomfortable trying other people, like any. So like for me, if I get my lashes done by someone at a place, that's where I'm going forever. Amen. That is the same with nails, anything beauty related. I can't even imagine if Usipo, who does my waxes, ever decides to, you know, quit the Lord. I can't even imagine opening up myself to somebody else, if you know what I mean. So when my hair girlies were like, girl, we are booked and busy, my heart just broke. So I'm actually going to try and install myself. Zazamuzenza and wing it, because my bestie, who's also in beauty, who's an MBA and does hair, ukude, because the funwenziwa as in like yesterday, so it's all on me. So yeah, okay guys, I'm venting, like I'm all over the place because there's just a lot happening. There's just a lot, but it'll be okay, yes, it'll all work out absolutely fine. Guys, I can't frustrate YouTube and shooting content. Shooting content is the easy part. It is putting it together, editing, and then uploading. Like, it's proving to be so frustrating for me. And I think also because I just don't want to spend the money on the things that would probably make it easier for me. Like, I refuse. As you might have figured by now, your girl is I'm not a Scrooge, but I'm just not a reckless spender. I'm just not. Like, I have to think through and, you know, figure out if I actually need it or if I can find a way around it, you know? So, Okangoku, as much as it's frustrating me, yeah, I might have to just cave in and just make my life easier because I want to do it. Facts. So, I might just have to spend money on it. But we'll see. Hopefully I can put this video together and it will upload. So I'm back home, guys. I'm back home. I just got a message from a friend who's also my boyfriend's friend. Mostly my boyfriend's friend. And there's a ring. I'm not wearing it now. There is a ring that I wear, guys. It is a fashion ring. It's a sterling silver ring with a cubic zirconia. Okay. It is a fashion ring that I wear because I love the ring. It looks cute, you know? It's like one of those simple rings, you know? And when I message about he's getting calls, people are saying that I'm engaged. Rest. One thing for sure, you will know when I get engaged. You will know. Like, honestly, like, I'm all for the girlies that keep their things like that private. All for it. Kudos. There are certain things that I feel very passionate that should be private. When I get engaged, and never, you will know. You will know. So until then, I'm not. Hi, Ntombi, Johnny. Andibaba? Kuyabanda nyhani namhlanje akushushwanga ncam.
Ayakushushwanga shem, akushushwanga.
Otherwise
sonwabile sihleli ayishembeni lobona ngumaduna lo ukhonto ndine-stress ngayo uba ubhuti esizimele ngoku andikwazi nokuza apha ndikhone mandivuke kusasa ndihlambe ndihambe ndiyazilibala mna ibirthday inamhlanje kanye ibizamfowunela shem mntasekhaya Tibe. Okay, good job. Sure. Sure, bye.
Ndiyathethiswa ke sana. Ndiyathethiswa uba andimemanga ubhuti wendawo to come with me to the funeral. Khanenze nalo install nqomasana ndizawuzithi qhiya kuloo ndawo. Also, I was just running a bit late. Yeah, I don't know how I feel. Like, I feel... So my friend lost his dad. And I've been very worried about him, even though, like, he's like... because they didn't have a relationship, he's okay. But I think regardless, you know, like, ooh, no, I don't think kulula or kumnandi to, or like it's okay, about okay losing a parent or losing a loved one. So, yeah, but we'll see. Oh, chomi awusaqothi. But yeah. Oh, I choose nanti kofu. Lord be with me today. Today I need to though come home and Dizame was installer and just jay this face a little because my partner and I have a date with some of our friends. We're going bowling and dinner, so I'd like to look cute, but also I want to see if I won't have time to take my photos namhlanje for my visa. If I don't, it's fine. If I don't get time, it's fine. I'll just do it on Monday before the appointment. But preferably, I would like to get it done today so it's out of the way. And so I can compile all our dogs. But since I won, because I wanted to take the photos and the cute, you know? The cute. Back with camera get now we're good. We're good. We're gonna have a better day today. We're gonna have a better day. We're not gonna let the emotions take control of us. Lord, be with my heart, be with my mind, be with my tongue. Be with my aura, my presence. So back home, I just attempted to wash the lace of my wig because it still had glue. I'm a little anxious, guys, because I don't know what I did to it, but we're gonna try and do our own install namhlanje. I'm very nervous about that. And I was meant to go past Newville for glue. I didn't do that. I totally forgot and drove straight home. So I'm going to use what I've got and try and do this install. I'm just going to try and think of everything that I've ever seen online on installations, etc. And then we're gonna do just like a light face, just to look decent, to be out. Yeah, guys, just cross fingers with me for the install, because wow, first of all, I don't know what I did to my wig, but we'll see how it works out. So I'm gonna attempt to, I've heard most clean the area, ne? So this is yeah, alcohol, ne? I got this from a friend, from my best friend. I don't think she gave it to me actually. I think she just forgot it at my house. So I'm going to use that to clean the surface area here. So guys, because I'm trying to look in the mirror while I do this. Oh, yini unga-install kakuhle. So this is this is the way that we're installing. Okay, ndizamile guys to wash the lace. It obviously hasn't had enough time to dry, so I'm trying to just dry it quickly and really just hoping for the best. Okay, so I'm going to put some compact powder on my lace, because I don't have a lace tint. So I'm going to use my Yardley loose powder on it, just to tint the lace a bit. No wonder bonakala mandilipidala sana, because izinto zam. But a girl's gotta try, right? So that's what we're trying to do. Shami, it's not so bad. Like the cleaning Shami lace, it's not so bad. But it was worrying because it looked a bit like being it's getting tangled. Yeah, bro. So I was getting worried about being the but it's not so bad now. Now that it's dry. Sana. Sometimes as you must give them to the professionals, hey? That's what I truly believe in. Like, I'm not that kind of girl that wants to try the beauty stuff. Why? I'm really not. Like, I'm the I want to sit, make me look pretty kind of girl. But I guess sometimes it doesn't work out that way. Like, everyone is fully booked. Guys, I really hope this works out for me, because, well, I actually do have a tint, yes. But in Dala, let me not try it. Let me not try it. Okay. It's not as dark as I want it to be. But it'll do. So I'm gonna go in with, I've got this Got To Be, but I've seen the girlies don't use this anymore. In Dala Naliam, I don't think I've ever really used it, because I mean I don't do my own install. But I'm gonna try and use this one and see my result now. Okay, first I have to decide where I want to put my wig, right? So I've put one layer of this glue. I know the girlies normally use a comb or something, but I'm no pro. It's in my handbag, lovely. Then you pay it. Oh, ndile nto ke. Ndizamhlamba boss. Let's listen to some music. Hey boo.
Hello, baby. Why you not born?
Nyani ke why?
Hello, sweetie.
Hi. Ooh.
Girls worldwide.
Jonga, this is not a social call. I'm attempting to do an installation.
Oh, cool. Okay. Wait for it to become invisible. What is this?
Chomi, it's the got to be izo but transparent.
By transparency, instructions.
I don't know.
Important to read instructions, my friends. I'm waiting to work with it now for a change.
It doesn't really say because it says it doesn't say like to for installations. It's just for like hair, like actual hair.
Hey, my friend. Another way to do this is to wipe that off completely,
Okay.
and then opt to use the freezing spray, the blast freezing spray.
Awesome, girl.
Sorry.
Just come namu.
And the electric never done, but I'm not that I was strong. Makeup DNA painting too. Okay, friend. I don't get alcohol, so you don't get on.
Okay.
Then also say in method the freezing spray.
Okay. Okay.
So what you do is you're going to apply the spray up off like you've done now.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll try more about that.
Mm-hmm.
And then put apply.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll try. We put apply and about 3 to 4 times.
Mm-hmm.
And it's going to come tacky like the normal glue.
Mm-hmm.
Then we're going to put with this.
It's the long one. It's the long black.
Okay. And also I'm going to
Jesus. Okay. Utaizo chigale.
To experience I'm not it glue it crepe now. That's why I'm coming. You know what?
Okay. Say to the camera.
Hi, camera.
So, I'm apparently supposed to let this change color become transparent, but it's not changing, guys. It's not changing. And stress again because also I don't want to take it off. And yes, really don't know. Here goes nothing, guys. Here goes absolutely nothing. Gosh, guys, my nerves are absolutely finished. You know when you want something to work out so bad and a kotemba, but you're still hopeful? It's me right now. Guys, nina temba nina. Yole. And guys. So I've put some more of the blasting freeze on the lace on top here. Guys, I don't know. Enough zams but has got a young blend of niggas faggy elastic band on top. Please, Father God. Don't let this elastic do me dirty. It's going to not double up. Okay, so elastic in place and hoping for the best. I'm gonna try and quickly do my face now before I try and style the hair and play with it. I'm just gonna let it sit, do the face, do the hair, and then get dressed. I don't think we have much time. It's 17:12 and we're supposed to meet at 6. So, gotta rush. Okay, hands clean. So I'm gonna go in with a primer. I'm trying this one out for the first time. I did use another Essence primer before, which I really enjoyed. Just a different one. Like this one is the Hydro Hero Primer, so I'm using that one now. I forgot what the other one that I used was called, so I'm gonna go in with my primer first, always. Then I always go in with my setting spray just after my primer, and I use the W Beauty setting spray. Don't ask me why, I just do routine. Just a little spritz, nothing serious. Then we're gonna go in and do the brows while the face is drying a bit. I always struggle with my brows, guys. Like, I can never do them the same. Like, one day I get them so right, then the next, they're in caps. So, yeah. Literally less than half an hour to finish all of this. The pressure. And guys, ndiyagqibela uba decent ntombi hayibo. No. No. You need to look nice, Lord, please. Some belief. Izawudibana yena, guys. Izawudibana. Umkhomtsugaba. One stroke at a time. Let's get better light. For my foundation, I use Black Opal. I have no idea what this color is. But yeah, that's the foundation that I use. Yeah, don't be a pale, no pale. So I'm going to go in with my concealer again. But I like to go in with my concealer, then go in with the foundation, then go in with my concealer again. I wonder ngaphansi kwale elastic kwenzeka ntoni. But I serve a great God. I serve a great God. Thixo omkhulu. Donna Claire, big God. Soze sana andiyekelele. Benele singathi nezilonda apha. Noise. Just a little under the eye so that I'm not too light or get like a glare vibes underneath the eyes. So I'll put a little. Forgot to tell you, so I always set my brows with the Revlon. You can't see that's how old it is, but it's the Revlon Banana Tonton to set. I always set my brows. Isn't it lazy shiner? But also it just, I don't know, makes them a little more defined as well. So I'll just go like this, brush it off when we're almost done. It will all come together. So I'm gonna go in with my Pro Concealer just to, nothing hectic. I like to have a little here. Because we've already put, but So I'm going to go in with the powders quickly, guys. I'm so late. I'm going to go in with the powders, try and style this hair, and then rush. I'll try and show you the finished product, but I'm not going to go step by step now. But we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. So I always make like these faces when I put on my makeup, just so the makeup can go into the cracks. So when I'm smiling or laughing, it doesn't shift, you know? So I always make like these faces. Movement, basically. So I don't know if you will be able to see all of me. Let's do like so. So I'm wearing my Nike sweatpants. We're going bowling. I'm wearing this bodysuit. I'm gonna wear trainers, and then I'm gonna wear a black little sweat top. But we're pretty much done. Okay, the scent we're going for today, we're doing Portrait of a Lady. Nice and feminine, you know? Okay, so my lace didn't come out too bad. Nella, it's not bad. Say something. I love you. Is it fine? Okay. So my lace, for a first time install by myself, I didn't do too bad. So this is the final bowling look. And then I'll either carry this bag or this bag. Although I'm leaning towards this one. Nah? What do you think? Oh gosh. Okay, cool. Thanks.
Go out to do after my brother. You know? Even if you are going to tell me,
It's crazy. I don't know when I've got a colleague. She eats every.
Must be nice. Must be nice. Mama, shagini tandana, itandani. Bebe tandana. Hey!
yeah. Cheers to Vegas tonight. Hello.
This is the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video to this part of the video. I think this week I'm going to ask you to leave me those toasting champagne glasses in the comment section. Guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're seeing a little subscribe prompt at the bottom, it means that you have not subscribed, so do the right thing. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Find me on Instagram, mimimioli_, as well as on TikTok under the same handle. Guys, now I feel the sudden urge to make this outro a little longer. Just bear with me. I absolutely appreciate you guys watching my videos, leaving the comments, posting stories of you watching me on YouTube. I absolutely love that. It warms my heart. I appreciate it so much. Thank you to everybody who was DMing me while I was away in Red about when are you coming back to the Red app. I can assure you I am definitely back. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the socials and back with another vlog soon. Mwah.
You'll never feel the way